Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a nice bird which is called the parrot. This bird is very known and very popular. Everybody likes it. It's kind of pet birds. Let's start the drawing from the top. So it's like a round shape on the top and you can see the eyes. All right. The pointed and the inclined, this is like a wave pattern, the organic shape, the beaks in front and the body. This is also a half circle or the curve, looks like this. Okay, and another side you can see the feathers. This looks like this, and you can draw few feathers like this and the few strokes, which is going to be really nice. And in the back you can see, all right, few strokes here. For the legs, which is seen from this side, this is fully visible, and the leg which cannot be seen on the other side is partially visible. This is the basic shape. So for drawing any bird, the shape is very important. And as a parrot, this is uh, very important for this bird. So a good outline is just a major, has the impact on the whole drawing. So the beak and the claws in the bottom, we're going to put the same color. Okay, and the dark green, there's a color we're going to put at the border. Let's make the border outline an interesting one, and putting the color dark green. All right, sometimes you need to sharpen your pencils to work with more comfortable way. The comfortable way helps you to draw a more nice drawing. The instructions and the things and the styles I'm just saying, I hope you understand, and this is going to be very easy for you if you follow the step-by-step procedures. Everything I'm doing in front of you right now. So this is a real-time video. I didn't edit any part of the video. So this is totally unedited. All right, you can see the deep green color at the bottom. All right, also for the feathers we're going to put dark green for the long portions of the feathers. And also this part. Okay, Now the eyes is going to be the dark brown. Let's put the dark brown color for the eye and the black for the eyeballs inside. Okay, let's put the light green for other portions, which is left, and still this looks like white in this drawing board. All right, few portions here you can see. So the color variations in the drawing, it's amazing as you can make it in a good shape. You can put few racks like this to the whole body just to show the nice way of the drawings. Okay, let's put the background with another color on which the bird is sitting. Also, let's do the color for this portion. All right, we can make a little darker along this side, little darker here in few parts to the border parts. Okay, so I hope you like the video. You can do the practice at home. Thanks for watching. As you like, please subscribe my channel and stay with Blue Hand Drawings. Next we are going to bring more interesting videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.